Hey guys, how's it going? Johnny Reina here.
Tell them why they don't hold on. Tell them why they better run. Stand up, make it
Let's go! Hey! Boys, hey, real quick. When you get loose, okay, as soon as you're loose, stay out a little bit further, work on long hopping the baseball. Okay, if it keeps raining, ball's going to get slick. I'd rather you long hop like we talked about earlier, right? So now get used to the turf, work on the long hop, okay? Oh. Use your legs, please.
Oh, my bad. Jeez.
Tobin.
Give me a warning.
Throw. Yeah. Work on planting some off your back foot and doing it. Infielders, work on planting off your back foot, delivering up. Spinning glove side.
There we go.
Now,
Like that?
yeah, but you guys should be getting closer because you're infielders.
Alright.
Move in. So look, we should have.
Oh. My bad.
Move in. Just your glove and ball. Look, we should be doing a couple different things. One, Tobin, hold the ball in. Wait, no, you're right there. Go back. I meant like come in. Don't go like 200 feet. You're an infielder. So we should be working on a couple of things. One, work on like as if we're planting backhand. Boom. And trying to long hop. Okay? I'm not loose, so bear with me. Throw it. So simulate backhand. Boom. Plant. Got it? And then we got another one. We're going glove side. Boom. Right? And the last one will be right at you. It should be. Boom. See the ball's taking off?
So is this like a throw to first base?
Yeah, essentially. From wherever you play at, it should be a sim. So, no, I want you like, go, boom, plant off the back. You hear me, Tobin? So, like, here, go to your backhand. You know, Tobin. So, your next one, go to backhand. Here, come forward off the line. Come off the line. Come here. Now, the line, I feel like you're just like staying there, you're like hovering around, not moving. Get away from the line. So go to your backhand. Act like you're on your back foot. Okay, so move through it. So back foot, boom, picking it, long hop. So go. And then work on somewhere you just go off your back foot. So pick a visual point that you know you can throw it, skip.
I want to do a few more of these.
You should.
Okay, like one here to here. I want to do here to here.